everyone. It's Wednesday.
Yes. August 9th.
And how's our neighbor just went by in the loader. Okay, August 9th, like Rita said. And we're heading out to State College, PA. Want to go for a little ride. So, where's the better place to go than Ocean State Job Lot?
A new place.
That's like 80 miles away. So I think that's the closest one.
Yeah, pretty much.
So we haven't been to an Ocean State Job Lot in a while. Since we left Massachusetts. Back in March?
Probably. So we figure we'll venture out, hit some new roads, I guess.
Yep. And today is going to be a milestone for Bleu II. And Rita and John's adventures, or John and Rita's adventures, however you want to put it. We're going to hit, since we've owned Bleu II, we're going to turn over 10,000 miles riding on Bleu II. We bought Bleu II with 2,867 miles. And today we're going to turn 12,267 miles. So we'll have to stop and bring out the champagne. Oh, we didn't bring any. Damn.
Well, we don't drink and drive anyway, so.
Absolutely.
We'll just pretend that we have champagne. We'll pop the cork and have the balloons going. Woo!
So, stay tuned for that milestone for Bleu II. Enjoy the ride with us and enjoy our celebration. A little bit of scenery. You don't get to see too much from this side. We're on a different road. Walker Flat Road. We're usually on the other side, looking this way. Awesome. There's something for you to look at. Wow. I should just keep the camera rolling because this is so beautiful. I just don't know what to say.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right on Pennsylvania 536.
Yeah, that's where we're on now. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, check that out. I know you're probably sick of seeing scenery, but we enjoy it. And that's what we do best. Enjoying life.
That's right.
Here we go. Con to our right and con to our left. And it's a beautiful day. This is Route 536, by the way, if anybody's interested. I guess you've seen enough. We haven't. Oh, just want to let you know we're in Puxy.
No, Puxie's another place. We're in Punxsutawney.
Well, that's the same thing.
No, there is a place called Punxsy.
Okay, you say so. I just gotta go. I thought this was shop for Punxsy.
I like that place. That's cool. I am sure this place is a zoo in February.
Yep. Absolutely a zoo. Okay. Okay, we should be turning 12,867 miles very shortly. We're going slow so I can pull over. Probably another 0.8 of a mile. So stay with us. Woohoo! Bleu II and Rita and myself, we've just hit. Oh, let me get this off. I don't know if you can see it. 12,867 miles. So we've been 10,000 miles. What do you think, Dave? 10,000 miles.
10,000 miles. Woohoo!
In about 6 months. Woohoo!
Wow.
Yeah. Like I said, we bought in September, then it was in storage for 5 months for the winter.
About that.
And this is where we are.
I can't get that from here, but
okay. Thanks for being with us to celebrate. Oh, a wonderful time. One more peak. Here we go. Woohoo!
you do realize that you and I have been together for 20,000 miles.
Woo! Absolutely. Wow! Yeah, we turned 10,000 miles when we had Blue.
Yeah. Actually, we went 13,000. We were halfway around the world.
Yeah. And then
More than that.
And now on Bleu II, we just turned 10,000 miles together on our adventure journeys.
Yep.
And
20,000 miles together.
And we're in McAfee, PA, on Route 219. It's an exciting day for us.
Absolutely.
I'll have to take my babe out to eat.
Well, we got a rack of ribs waiting for us.
Oh, never mind. Well, we'll be home late for that. Because that takes a few hours. So, I'm glad you were with us. Because it's all fun. And we enjoy doing this. That looks pretty cool. Where the trees are. This is pretty cool looking. We just crossed over Interstate 99, sorry. Whoa. Look what we found. Ocean State Jaw Block. We did that for you, Darlene. It is pretty. I don't know if you can hear me, but it is pretty.
In 1.5 miles, keep right to US 322 West.
Yeah, we're on Interstate 99. We're trying to make up some time. Here's a cute, neat looking waterfall. Well, dear, how was your ride?
Our ride was awesome,
Awesome.
as usual.
Oh, we're less than 20 minutes from the house. So, we figured we'll just reflect on a beautiful ride we had to, was it State College, PA?
Yeah. College town.
College Town. Had a good ride, a good day, the weather cooperated. So we just had a beautiful ride. And returned the milestone for Blue. For the both of us, we turned 12,867 miles, which gives Rita and I 10,000 miles on Blue in about 6 months. I think we did awesome.
I think so too.
All right, I hope you enjoyed our ride because we enjoyed it. And keep watching, stay tuned for more. And don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss any of our adventures. Keep smiling. Home sweet home. And there's a big dark cloud above us.
Again.
But we had a beautiful day. An awesome day.
Absolutely.
Thanks, babe.
Thank you, baby.